Hello friends, welcome to this unique endeavor from DocMode and ISAR, the Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction. I am Dr. Sujata Kar, practicing gynecologist in Bhubaneswar, Orissa. I have been practicing ART and gynec endoscopy for the last 27 years. Today I will be talking to you about recurrent pregnancy loss. As you will agree, recurrent pregnancy loss is a really frustrating treatment for the doctor, and it is really painful and disappointing for the couple. Moreover, for the management, we do not have many clear-cut guidelines. How to test, how to investigate, how to treat and how to manage is a very vast area wherein we don't have clear-cut guidelines. In today's lecture, I will try to give you simplified options for treatment management and investigation of recurrent pregnancy loss. Thank you very much for this opportunity from ISAR. Thank you.